easy to make, does not cost the environment. Of course, it can cost economy. I've been a vegan for the past 2 months, and I am not really a vegan person. I do intend to start eating meat in the near future. All right, I can even have like so cooking a vegan. So this one I just have to fry a bit of olive oil, add 4 large onions, green peppers, ginger, and just add any vegetables you can find. Here we added mushrooms and frozen beans, green beans, and chickpeas. Then we'll just let it cook for half an hour, and that's what we get. After I'm gonna change because I need to cook the rice. If you eat food like this, it can assist you, or shall I say, it can make you lose weight. Last month in March, I had to, no, was it March? No, at the beginning of this month, I had to run a half marathon. I needed to shed off some kilos, and I started eating vegan from January, being a vegetarian month, but I went vegan. Within 1 month, I lost 5 kilograms, and I ran the Brighton half marathon, finishing the time of 1 hour 40 minutes. It was incredible. I would not have done that if I had not changed my diet. I'm into fitness, and despite not having all the necessary nutritions, I think I seem to be doing much better with my running. My pace has improved, and I'm sleeping much better now. Yeah. So whilst I do not recommend vegan diets for long term, but in the short term, vegan diet is good. So this is just a vegan. Thanks so much for those who are just joining us. And this is our completed vegan dish. How did we make it? I had to fry 4 large onions, had the green peppers. Yeah. So for those who have been following me before, when I started cooking today, this is how the food looks like. It's fantastic. So in this pot there is onions, chickpeas. This is chickpeas we use. Chickpeas, green beans, and fresh mushrooms as well. And what else did I add in? I also added in different types of Indian spices. Well, I love Indian spices, so whatever I cook myself, I always add. So I added tandoori masala. I added ginger. I added turmeric. So this is the DIY kitchen. We just add anything we can find, provided it is food or seasoning, just put it in. Okay, this one, although it says barbecue seasoning, we can still add it. Yeah. So why have I decided to become vegan? Anyway, I'm not really a vegan person. I'm only doing this for a short time. I've been a vegan since the beginning of January. It helped me to lose a little bit of weight, and I was able to finish the half marathon in 1 hour 40 minutes. An improvement of 5 minutes from last time. It was good. And yeah. All right, guys, I think my food is done. Okay, we also been cooking rice. So rice, we need to reduce the number of carbohydrates in rice. How do we do it? After halfway cooking the rice, we add water. Can you see? So I've just added lots of water. We're gonna kind of wash the rice, remove some starch, as much carbohydrate as possible. So we have added some water to remove carbohydrates. Doing this basically, which is good. So we're reducing the carbohydrates. Don't cook this for children, it is not good. Okay, now we can now even actually add a bit of olive oil. I do add olive oil whatever I'm cooking. So nice, we've added a bit of olive oil and put back a bit of salt water. So what we have just done there is to reduce the carbohydrates in rice. And this is my other vegan, which I've cooked.